Coming to Alia Bhatt, her transformation from where she was in Student of the Year and
Correct.
to where she is now has been jaw-dropping.
Yes.
Like, what sort of diet plan did you have to chalk out for her? Was it something with special components, consisting of special components, and did you actually have to sit with her and chalk it all out, or did you just
Yes.
pass one to her?
Of course, whenever you have to chalk out something for somebody, you have to sit with them.
Yeah.
You have to understand what they like, what they don't like. That's first, because you can't follow a diet अगर तुम्हें खाना पसंद ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Exactly.
So you sit with them, you understand what their goals are.
Yeah.
So now with somebody like Alia, her goals change based on the brief that she's been given for every single movie.
Yeah.
So there are certain movies where she has to be very, very thin. There are certain movies where she has to be a little fit, muscular, because like for example in Udta Punjab,
Yeah.
she was traditionally playing a hockey player,
Yeah.
which meant that initially she didn't want to be very thin, but eventually as the movie starts progressing, she did start losing weight. So it depends on the brief that is given to them. She gives me that brief, and that's exactly how I chalk it out. Whether she needs to be working out 7 days a week, whether she needs to be working out 5 days a week, whether she needs to take it easy, whether her diet has to be extremely difficult, whether she's allowed to eat a lot more, whether cheat days are important for her diet, whether they're not, because Alia is extremely strict. Like, this is one thing about Alia which she has taught me is discipline. Like, she's probably the most disciplined person. Like, even right now, if I were to show you how we talk, I am telling her, Alia, it's time to cheat. Alia sends NO. That's all the conversation is, where Alia will say NO. So she's very, very disciplined, and that makes it very easy as a coach to work with her, because I know कि जो मैंने कहा है वो हो जाएगा. I don't have to be after a life किया कि नहीं, that doesn't happen.
So you don't have to double check with
There's
her.
no double checking with Alia. Like, there is never a double check with Alia.
Yeah.
She knows that मुझे बोला गया है ना, तो मेरे को यहाँ तक पहुँचना है. So she will do everything to make sure it happens. So if you've seen her from Student of the Year to now,
I mean,
she's changed sizes, shapes, muscularity, everything's changed about her. And even as we keep going ahead, there'll be a new brief and there'll be a new brief.
True.
And what she understands is that her body responds really well, and she makes the most of it. Like, she's never going to be lax about it. So yeah, that's Alia. Extremely, extremely disciplined.
Since she's very disciplined, initially, when she initially started, was it difficult for her to cut off junk food, or was she like eating burger one moment and then the next moment she's like, get me my kale?
Okay, so Alia and I come from the same school. Alia was my senior, and I've seen her then and I've seen her now.
Yeah.
And she's wanted to be an actress for a very, very long time. Like, we've seen all of her audition videos and things like that. She's wanted to, she's been so talented, and she's wanted to be an actress. Now, she understands that acting is very important because she's a solid actor. Like, she's probably the best actress there is around. But she understands the physical aspect of it also. That person has to be lovely to look at. So it was never difficult with her. It's never been difficult with her, because even before I met Alia as a coach, she'd already started losing weight, because for Student of the Year also she had to come down sizes. So she knew what it takes. The only thing that's changed is the way we understand each other, because now I understand where she's coming from. Like, for example, sometimes she used to just tell me that, Sid, I have 8 days and you need to do something, and I would tell her that, Alia, it's not always healthy, no? Like, you have to give it time. So this is where I started understanding that sometimes they're put in a crunch where I have to do exactly what they do. And what she started understanding is that sometimes it's okay to take it slow, because if you rush your body into moving shapes so quickly, when she's probably 40, it's going to be difficult for her to do so. So that is one thing that I have gotten through to her, that she understands the importance of taking things one step at a time.
True.
And I have understood that it's important to hurry things up when required. So it's never been difficult with Alia, never.
Since you're also a certified Pilates trainer, did you also help plan her workouts?
Yes. So Alia works with her trainer called Saurabh. And the three of us actually have a group where we keep posting pictures that, okay, this is how we want to look in the next 2 months. And this is how it's a very fun group. So I will always share my nutrition protocol with Saurabh, and Saurabh will always share his fitness protocol with me, because we always have to be on the same page. Like, there are days where she's just feeling low and she can't work out. Those days her nutrition also has to be a little underwhelming, because I can't let her eat too much without her working out. So there will always be components that he advises me on, that I advise him on, and as a team we work really well.
Because her schedule is like she's on the go almost
hectic.
every day.
Very hectic.
So to manage it all, how well do you think it has to be on her part and your part as well? The coordination between you two has to be like on par at all times. So how do you guys manage to do that?
When you talk about coordination with somebody like Alia, you're coordinating with Alia, and sometimes you're also coordinating with the person who's actually cooking the food. So whether her food is coming from me, from Food Darzi, or whether it's being made at her home, that coordination is very important, because Alia understands what she needs to eat. She's passed on the information. I am speaking to the chef who's actually making the food.
True.
But at the end of the day, I need to ensure that what is being made is also correct, because I don't want her to waste her time in, हर चीज खोल के देखो, अच्छा बाबा ये ठीक है कि नहीं, 2 दिन पहले जब ये सेम चीज बनी थी, क्या ये और ये सेम है कि नहीं. So all that coordination I do end up doing at times, but even our chef is fabulous. Like it's been so many months that I have been instructing him. He knows how to read my notes now, and plus if it's happening within my own company, then it's very simple. Like all the processes there are sorted. Like there's a separate chef only who makes food for her, so he knows what she likes, what she doesn't like. So yeah, it's a little coordination, but now we're all used to it. Like the entire team is used to it.